Okay. I have the subject. He popped out on e-crime. He got a biometric hit and I checked his rap sheet.
This is just such a massive project. We have about 25 people start to finish, vetting the people that are in the jail all the way through to conducting the criminal proceedings. They're arrested, they're charged locally. We initiate federal charges against them, usually for unlawful re-entry after having been ordered removed. We need to conduct a transfer from the local criminal justice system to the federal criminal justice system. So in order to do that, we write a warrant.
It looks like he got arrested for carrying a loaded firearm in a public space and DUI. We have his booking number. I checked he's still in custody.
Let's have someone build a packet right now. Please start writing a warrant so we can get it to the judge as soon as possible.
We'll do, boss.
Once that's done, those individuals are turned over to a separate program within ICE called the Criminal Alien Program, where after they've served their time or they've had their federal criminal charges adjudicated, they get turned over for administrative removal proceedings with them.